Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Indian Pharmacist. My name is Rishabh Srivastav and today we will discuss about 10 eminent pharma leaders of India. It is the part 2 to the Indian Pharmacist series. So let's begin. But first of all, let me make an appeal to like this video, to share it with your friends, to make comment if you have any query, if you want to suggest any topic on which you want some video, to subscribe the channel and press the notification bell. So friends, today India is known as the pharmacy of the world, as Indian pharma companies provide affordable generic drugs to patients in almost all countries across the globe. Hence the reason India has been dubbed the pharmacy to the world. Furthermore, Indian companies are increasingly involved in massive R&D projects in the biologics field, and a handful of Indian biosimilars have already been approved in highly regulated international markets. Some of the major companies are Sun Pharma, the biggest in India and fourth largest generic producer of the world; Cipla, fourth largest generic producer of India; Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Biocon, Wockhardt, Aurobindo, Glenmark, Zydus Cadila, Intas, Piramal Pharma Solutions. So first of all, we will discuss about Mr. Glenn Saldana, who is the CEO, Managing Director and Chairman of Glenmark. Managing Director, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited. Mr. Glenn Saldana holds degree in pharmacy from Mumbai University. He also holds MBA degree from Leonard Stern School of Business at New York University. He, he is holding the position of director since 1998 and took over this role as managing director and chairman since 2001. Previously, this position was held by Mr. Gracious Saldana, who is the father of Mr. Glenn Saldana. Prior to Glenmark, he also worked with Eli Lilly in USA and PricewaterhouseCoopers in USA. As chairman and managing director of the company, Mr. Saldana oversees all operations of the organization. During his tenure, he transformed Glenmark into a truly global organization with a commercial presence in over 80 countries. Under his leadership, Glenmark has evolved from an Indian branded generic business into a research driven and innovation led organization. Since Mr. Saldana took over, the company switched focus to new drugs and biosimilars in the field of cancer, dermatology, and respiratory diseases, which is sought to monetize by partnering with big pharma companies. Mr. Saldana's vision is to discover, develop, and to take market India's first innovative drug. The next leader that we are going to discuss is Mr. Umang Vohra, who is the Global Chief Executive Officer of Cipla Limited. Mr. Umang Vohra, BE and MBA, has been the Global Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director of Cipla Limited since September 2016. After gaining degrees in engineering, marketing, and finance, Mr. Vohra worked with Eicher Motors, PepsiCo, and Dr. Reddy's. Through his previous roles in India and the US, he has built a distinguished career with experience in several businesses and functions such as generics, finance, sales and marketing, supply chain and operations, among others. Prior to his present role, Mr. Vohra was the Global Chief Operating Officer and Global Chief Financial Officer of Cipla. Among his other achievements as CFO was the successful integration of Cipla's acquisition in the US, thus paving the way for greater avenues of growth for Cipla in North America. He is credited with having revamped Cipla's operation in Europe as COO, thus enabling an improvement in profitability. The next person whom we are going to discuss is Mr. Sharvil Pankajbhai Patel, who, who is acting as the managing director of Jadus Cadila. He is working as managing director of the company since April 2017. Cadila Healthcare is headquartered at Ahmedabad in Gujarat. The company is the fourth largest pharmaceutical company in India with a turnover revenue of more than 54.7 billion Indian rupees. It is a significant manufacturer of generic drugs. The company was founded by his grandfather, Mr. Ramanbhai Patel, in 1952. A split in the family business led to the creation of Jadus Cadila. He is having a specialization in chemical and pharmaceutical sciences from the University of Sunderland, UK, and has a doctorate for his research in breast cancer at Johns Hopkins. Next person we are going to discuss is Mr. Binesh H. Chodgar, who is the managing director of Intas Pharmaceuticals. He is serving as the managing director of the company since April 2016. Based in Ahmedabad, Intas Pharmaceuticals Limited engages in manufacture, marketing, distribution, and sale of finished pharmaceutical formulations, active pharmaceutical ingredients, medical appliances, and medical devices worldwide. Intas shot into the limelight in October 2016 when they scooped up Teva's assets in the US and Ireland in 764 million US dollar deal. Sorry, it's not in US, it's in UK. Next person is Dr. Murtaza Khurakiwala, who is the managing director of Wockhardt Limited. Dr. Khurakiwala has been the managing director of company since April 2009. Wockhardt is a leading research-based global healthcare enterprise in the company with relevance in the field of pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, and a chain of advanced super specialty hospitals. He is a graduate in medicine from GS Medical College, Mumbai, and master in business administration from University of Illinois, USA. Khurakiwala is also a member of Indian Pharmaceutical Association and was the past chairman of the marketing committee of the Bombay Management Association. Next person is Mr. Vivek Sharma, who is the CEO of Piramal Pharmaceutical Solutions or Piramal Pharma Solutions. Mr. Sharma currently serves as the CEO of the company, which is a global leader in providing contract research, development, and manufacturing services towards the life science industry. This company offers integrated solutions from discovery through development and commercialization with research and manufacturing facilities in North America, Europe, and Asia. Under Mr. Sharma's leadership, Piramal Pharma Solution has established itself as a partner of choice for pharma companies and biotech firms. Mr. Sharma was also recognized as the Global CEO of the Year in 2016 at CPHI Worldwide in Madrid. He has led Piramal Pharma Solutions through rapid growth with a strategy that augments organic growth and synergistic, well timed acquisition. Next great personality is Mr. Samir Hiremath, who is the joint managing director of Haikal Limited since November 2011 and is currently serving as its chief executive officer. He joined Haikal in 1996 as executive of planning and coordination. Under his leadership, the pharmaceutical division was established and made rapid strides. Heikel partners with pharmaceuticals, life sciences, biotechnology, agrochemicals, and specialty chemicals companies to deliver active ingredients, intermediates, and R&D services. Hiramet oversees the day-to-day operations of the company, which includes research and technology, manufacturing operations, and sales and marketing. He has over 20 years of experience in technical plant operations, business development, and corporate strategy. He has held several key positions at Haikal, including that of executive director. He holds a degree in chemical engineering from Pune University and an MBA and MS degree in information and technology from Boston University, USA, and received training from Merck and Company in the USA. The next personality is the one whom I respect personally, Miss Kiran Majumdar Shaw, Indian billionaire, entrepreneur, chairperson, and managing director of Biocon Limited, a biotechnology company based in Bangalore, India. She is the chairman and managing director of the company and holds the position of chairperson of the Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore also. In 2014, she was awarded the Othmar Gold Medal for outstanding contributions to the progress of science and chemistry. She is on the Financial Times Top 50 Women in Business list, and in 2015 she was listed as the 85th most powerful women in the world by Forbes. Forbes again listed her in 2016 and 17 as one of the most powerful women in the world at 77th position and 71st position respectively. The next person is Dr. Satyanarayan Chava from Laurus Labs Limited. He is the founder of the company and holds a PhD degree. This company is also called as Laurus Labs Private Limited and Aptitude Laurus Private Limited. This company was founded in 2005. He has an experience of 20 years of industry in the pharmaceutical industry and served as Chief Operating Officer of Matrix Laboratories Limited in Hyderabad, where he played a key role in transforming it into a major pharmaceutical company in less than 6 years. His specialty is in R&D and manufacturing and business development. He served as research scientist of Ranbaxy Laboratories Limited and worked on several commercially successful antiretroviral drugs. Since 2014, Dr. Chava has served as chairman of Laurus Infosystems India Private Limited and has been a trustee of the United States Pharmacopeal Convention Incorporation since October 19, 2016. Dr. Chava has to his credit several breakthroughs in intellectual property. He has authored over 150 patents. He received the Business Leader Award from TVS Hyderabad and has appeared on the cover of the Forbes India as part of the magazine's Hidden Gems 2015 series. So, the friends, last person in this list, but he is not the last person of India, is Mr. Dilip Sangvi, founder and chairman of Sun Pharma. Mr. Dilip Sangvi is a first generation entrepreneur and the founder of India's Sun Pharma Industries Limited. He is a son of pharmaceutical distributor and borrowed $200 from his father in 1983 to start making psychiatric drugs, and Sun Pharma was born. This was the story which makes Sun Pharma today. Sun Pharma was grown through a series of acquisitions, the biggest of which was the 2014 purchase of Ranbaxy Laboratories for 4 billion US dollars. The company is the world's fourth largest generics maker and India's most valuable pharma outfit with March 2017 revenues of more than 4.7 US dollar billions. Mr. Sanghvi has won numerous awards and recognitions, including Forbes Entrepreneur of the Year award in 2014, Economic Times Business Leader of the Year in 2014, CNN IBN Indian of the Year Business 2011, Business India's Businessman of the Year 2011, and Ernst and Young's World Entrepreneur of the Year 2011. He has also been awarded the Economic Times Entrepreneur of the Year in 2008, Business Standard CEO of the Year in 2008, and CNBC TV's 18 First Generation Entrepreneur of the Year 2007. Along with this, he has also been awarded Padma Shri Award in 2016. Mr. Sanghvi is also the chairman and managing director of Sun Pharma Advanced Research Company Limited and chairman of Shantilal Sanghvi Foundation. He holds a degree of BCom from the University of Kolkata. So, friends, again, I would like to make an appeal to like this video, to share it with your friends, to make comment if you have any query or have any suggestions for my improvement. Subscribe the channel and press the notification bell. Thank you.